We are finally back home. Not for too long though, just for one day. I think we are leaving tomorrow, so finally I'm here in my house. I miss this bit so much. I miss this so much. I miss this view. It's like so bad now because of the snow, but I miss it so much, guys. You have no idea how much I miss my house or this apartment. It's so much like it's like a blessing to be in your apartment, to be in your home. It's like a blessing. Do not normalize this. I'm telling you, do not normalize this. It's a blessing. Today we are here just for today. We're leaving tomorrow, and we're gonna make like a video to explain to you guys what happened in the last period. There's a lot of things insanely happened, but this video is just gonna show you today because I'm super excited to cook today, because I'm gonna cook for the first time. I'm super excited to live a normal day today. So I'm gonna take you into my normal day today and see how my normal day looks like. We have been like away from our home for so long, and we just came yesterday, and look what we found. I don't know how are we going to clean this. So first thing I'm gonna do in my normal day is that I'm gonna cook. Finally, I'm gonna cook for my husband. What am I going to cook? This is a surprise. It's like I'm going to cook something favorite for my husband, which is something we call it onion gravy. I don't know, like it's like beef with onion. It's gonna be gravy. So this is what I'm going to cook. I'm gonna make him also like a fresh naan. Some dumplings for my baby because he's so hungry, and a bit of soy sauce. I made it from scratch.
Yeah, right. That's a BS.
Okay.
Where's the food? I'm very hungry.
It's in the oven. It's not even done. I don't know. I was thinking it's gonna be like 10 minutes in.
Oh, this plate looks good.
This is the naan.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Nice.
See how good my naan is.
Not yet. What is that again?
It's the onion thing.
Onion thing is in the oven?
Yeah.
I thought you put it in the stove.
It's in the stove too.
Alright guys, this is literally the first time after a long time that she's actually cooking me food. I'm very excited to
And
try.
that sounds like, try to explain that it was out of my hand. It wasn't because of my bad work.
Yeah, it's not because she did anything, it's just that she was away, we were away, pregnancy issues that you probably saw in the last video. So anyways, for a couple days we are back in our old habitat. So she cooked me this. I'm not sure how that's gonna taste.
That amazing naan.
Probably good, because your food is always good.
Probably not 100%, not your reassuring.
Not 100%, no.
Okay, and now I want to try the naan and how it tastes. Sure.
This is gonna burn my face.
Don't try this. Just try the naan and see how the naan is soft.
Yeah.
It's good naan.
So
Okay, yeah, this is the naan. This is so hot. I don't know. Are you sure you want to eat this now?
it's more garlicky, I would want. It's not as garlic.
I add a lot of garlic, like all the garlic that your sister sent to me.
It's not as garlicky, but it's still not bad.
It's not like the best.
Yeah.